All right, today we're going to have a chat to Dave about a couple of issues we've been having with some gloss spotting on the jobs, mate. So what are your key points?
Okay, the gloss spotting that most people are experiencing is it generally happens in the first 5 to 6 square meters of the application of the product. What it's proven to be is that it does give a very, the problem seems to look very much like the roller is still full of water, and it gives a mottly, spotty, glossy effect. So what generally happens is when you mix the part A and the part B together, it's always good to have a really good shake of this product, not just like this. This has to be quite shaken quite vigorously. If you're mixing up 5 litres at a time, that goes into the 4.5 litre, which makes the 5 litre. When you do this, and this seems to be a bigger problem in the summer than the winter, so when you put the part B into the part A, only pour half of this in, put the cap back on the part A, and again give it a shake. Because what can happen is that if you dump the whole 450 ml into the 5 litre, it will cause a big ball of hardener as a concentration in the middle of that. Okay, what that does is it fools the part A into thinking that there's so much hardener that it has to start to set, and it creates these little jelly bits which are a congealed part of the product, which is part A, part B, but majority of it is the hardener. So you pour the first half of that into that, then you shake this again, and then you put the second half of this into that, and then shake the product again. It's always best if you can mix the product early. So generally, the guys that I deal with on a constant basis is you mix the product before you vacuum, then you go in and vacuum your floor, then you come back out, give the product a second shake, and then pour it into your catering tray and go out and roll it. That will eliminate the problem. The guys that have had the problem in the past follow those directions, and the problems go away. If all else fails, read the back of the label because it's still there.
Okay, so to wrap that up, so tips to avoid the gloss spotting: shake well, both part A and part B.
Yeah.
Yep. Mix thoroughly.
Only mix half the amount at one time, and that will reduce the concentration of the part B hardener into the part A, which will allow the product to mix thoroughly, and then put the part B, the remaining part of the part B into the part A, and that will allow that to disperse a lot better.
Okay, so then we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes to allow it to even more blend, and then shake it again well, put it in your roller tray, and away you go. Hopefully that helps. Enjoy.
See you, boys.